by Moto to C3DRC. Ultra-exotic Italian bike maker by Moto has long promoted chassis designs without the usual telescopic front fork. The firm's latest attempt at car-like hub-center steering is a West-P naked model based around an 803cc Ducati V-twin engine. CNC machine alloy plates bolt to that engine, as do structural carbon tubes that make up the front and rear swing arms. By Moto Impito. If a Ducati is just too pedestrian for you, then another Italian bike builder can help out with an exotic street fighter powered by a Ducati Diavel engine. By Moto's Impito takes the Torquey cruiser motor and bolts it to a trick composite frame of CNC machine billet aluminum and oval steel tubing. And if you still need more, by Moto is working on a compact supercharger kit for the bike. BMW G310R. BMW is diversifying once again, this time with a 313cc machine aimed at learners and small bike fans. It makes a claim 34 horsepower and, for improved agility, the single cylinder is tilted rearward with the head spun 180 degrees and the exhaust port out the rear. ABS is standard equipment. It makes a claim 34 horsepower and, for improved agility, the single cylinder is tilted rearward with the head spun 180 degrees and the exhaust port out the rear. ABS is standard equipment. Ducati Monster 1200R. Here is Ducati's new Super Naked to challenge the KTM 1290 Super Duke and the Aprilia Tuono 1100. With 160 horsepower, the 2016 Monster 1200R is the most powerful naked Ducati ever made. And there's a chassis to match, with fully adjustable Lowlands front and rear suspension, a steering damper, and forged Marcassini wheels to reduce the bike's weight by 5 pounds to 397 pounds dry. Honda CB500F. Even affordable bikes are getting R&D investment these days. Honda's versatile middleweight standard CB500F got a facelift for 2016, giving the bike a more modern, edgy look. The former, simple cylindrical exhaust canister has been replaced with a modern, sleeker version that's said to give a better sound. The bike gained LED lighting and fork preload adjusters. The sporty, full-fairing R model and X model adventure bikes, also built around basically the same 471cc Perlu twin, received similar and welcome updating as well. Husqvarna Vitkulin 701. Long known as a dirt bike manufacturer, Husqvarna is expanding its lineup and marking a return to street bikes. While showing off this large displacement single-cylinder concept bike, the firm announced that 2 smaller, single-cylinder street bikes are already headed for production. The simple, minimalist design on the 701 is the result of a great effort by designer Maxime Duvinin, and the major detail is the split, a thin high-vis diagonal line dividing the front and rear of the motorcycle. Kawasaki Z800 ABS. Kawasaki brings another competitor into the U.S. middleweight naked category by importing its 4-cylinder Z800 this year. For $8,400 you get a fuel-injected, 16-valve, double overhead cam, liquid-cooled screamer and standard ABS to slow it down. And it's all wrapped in edgy street fighter styling. KTM 690 Duke R. This year, KTM's long-running Duke benefits from many of the features seen on the brand's big bikes. Riding modes and traction control are optional on the base Duke and come standard on the higher-spec R model, which also has the Bosch cornering ABS able to manage aggressive mid-corner brake application, a first for a bike in this segment. The 2016 model features a redesigned 690cc, single-cylinder LC4 engine, which now boasts 73 horsepower and standard trim and a little more in R spec. KTM 1290 Super Duke R Special Edition. When you put the 1290 Super Duke and KTM's power parts warehouse together, you get this Special Edition R model. With the titanium Akrapovic exhaust, stiffer triple clamps to improve the bike's already precise steering, and highly adjustable brake and clutch levers. Wavy discs, carbon engine and clutch covers, and special seat foam round out the package. MV Agusta Broo 800. MV Agusta, the small Italian manufacturer that trades on motorcycle art, has a new interpretation of its middleweight brutal naked bike. Up front, the headlight is a large, striking elliptical design and fully LED. In back, the seat has its own chassis formed in light alloy. A trio of slash-cut exhaust pipes hugging the rear tire screens 3-cylinder. MV Agusta Dragster RRL H44 Lewis Hamilton, F1 World Champion signature model. Well, AMG, the Mercedes High Performance Division, also has a stake in MV Agusta. So, this wild take on the 798cc 3-cylinder dragster features carbon bodywork, a quilted Alcantara saddle, red anodized spoke wheels, plus an assortment of Hamilton's Panther logos, and his racing number, 44, in several spots. Suzuki SB650. The circular headlight SB is back. The first two generations of SB650s were renowned as terrific, affordable all-around bikes, and then Suzuki replaced them with the Gladius and its polarizing name, styling, and Daliesque headlight. Coming later this year, as an early release 2017, is a third generation of SB650, with numerous updates to the engine and chassis, 76 horsepower, a new digital display, and clean naked bike styling. It's about 20 pounds lighter than the Gladius, too. Triumph Street Twin 900. With the top-of-the-line Bonnevilles now packing 1200cc, the new entry-level Triumphs have gained new, larger 900cc liquid-cooled engines while still starting at $8,700. And that includes modern tech like ABS, traction control, ride-by-wire throttle, and even a USB charging socket underneath all that classic British street bike style. Yamaha MT-10. After Yamaha unveiled its groundbreaking YZF-R1 Superbike in 2014, we wondered how long it would take for a naked version to appear. Named the MT-10, it launched at the Milan show as a 2016 model, though not yet confirmed for the US market and not with all of the R1's performance tricks. But with hard, angular lines that culminate at the maniacal face, the MT-10 looks as aggressive as any bike on sale, while promising more street-going comfort to go with the upright riding position. Triumph Speed Trip Polar. Triumph's big, bug-eyed naked bikes received much upgrading for this year, starting with all new, more compact 1050cc 3-cylinder motors. The signature single-sided swing arm remains, but now there's a more advanced electronics package with adjustable ABS, traction control, ride-by-wire throttle, and a choice of 5 riding modes. The upgrade R model boasts Solent suspension and a helping of carbon fiber parts.